Hello, and thank you for stopping by at Auto Avenue. Before I get started, please be sure to join the Auto Avenue Discord server. That way, if you have any car-related thoughts, comments, or questions, you can just post them there. Also, please be sure to subscribe. It always motivates me to keep producing more content. So in this video, I firstly wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a very prosperous New Year. In this video, I will be unwrapping my Christmas presents. So as you can see, I have a Ford Bronco RC car. It's a miniature one, about say 1 in 46, 1 in 50 scale. And it's an RC car. It has lights in the front and the back, and it's 6 function. That's the charger right there. And then I just plug the RC car in and it starts up. And be on the lookout for another video with me using this RC car. And this is a Ford Mustang, the first 50 years DVD documentary series. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look inside. So as you can see, there are two DVDs. DVD 1 is the one in blue, and disc 2 is the one in red. Looks really cool. Now, this is a Lego Speed Champions Chevy Corvette. It's actually a two-in-one. It has a 1968 Chevy Corvette and a recent modern day Corvette race car. So you can see the Corvette race car is the one in gray, and the 68 or the 60 classic Corvette is the one in red. So those are the parts as well as the stickers. Looks really nice. So those are the instruction booklets. And I also have another Lego Speed Champion set, which I got. So that one is a Ford Bronco and a Ford GT, both of which are from the Ford Performance sector. So it has Ford Performance stickers and everything. You'll see that coming up very shortly. So this is the Ford Bronco and the Ford GT set. It's also a two-in-one. It looks really cool. I like the color and the pictures on the back. So the Ford GT is I think it's the Heritage Edition, the race car, and the Ford Bronco is like a Ford Performance tuned Bronco, um, meant for Baja. So both these look really cool, really powerful. You can see that those are the manuals, and inside are also the stickers. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this set and then keep it next to the Chevy Corvette set. I think that would look really cool. And I also have the Ford Mustang DVD to go with it, and I also have a Ford Bronco miniature RC car. So lots of overlaps there, but looks really cool. And this is also my Christmas tree. Uh, I just thought I'd include it because it's Christmas, but this is my Christmas tree if you wanted to see it. You can see the lights and the ornaments and other stuff on there. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.